Breathing in and breathing out. It is said that whatever you focus on, you attract into your life. It'll come into your day, it'll come into your being, it'll come into your mind. So if you want stillness in your life, spending time in the mountains can really help you with that. Looking at pictures of the mountains and taking time for a breath. It's just one of the ways to attract the stillness that so many of us seek with a mind that often wants to not be still. So taking a moment and being still with that mountain. And then being aware of your body in the room and going about your day with that extra stillness.